Tired of battling bad weather just to enjoy grilled meals? The Blue Diamond Grill Genie offers a simple, reliable way to get that perfect sear indoors. With its signature diamond-infused ceramic nonstick coating, this grill pan is 5 times harder and lasts 10 times longer than traditional nonstick pans. Plus, diamonds heat up faster than copper, so your pan reaches cooking temperature quickly and cleans up with ease. If you want grill marks and juicy flavor without stepping outside, this pan delivers. What sets the Grill Genie apart are its ultra-high grill ridges that lock in flavor while letting fat and grease drain away, making your meals healthier without sacrificing taste. The extra-large surface easily fits a 5-pound chicken, yet the pan remains lightweight and compact for convenient storage. The durable glass steam lid speeds up cooking by up to 30%, traps splatter, and is oven-safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, the pan itself can handle oven and broiler temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Riveted stainless steel handles offer a secure grip, making it easy to move from stovetop to oven. One user shared how this pan finally gave them the indoor grilling experience they'd been searching for. After struggling with other grill pans that never browned food properly, they found the Grill Genie delivers consistent, beautiful grill marks on chicken, fish, and steak. Using just a light coat of grill spray and medium heat, their meals come out perfectly seared, no more soggy or uneven cooking. Cleanup is a breeze, too, thanks to the dishwasher-safe design and toxin-free ceramic coating free of PFAs, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. It's a kitchen upgrade worth considering if you want grill-quality meals year-round. If you're ready to bring flavorful grilling indoors without the mess or hassle, the Blue Diamond Grill Genie is worth a look. It's built for everyday use, easy to clean, and designed to fit your lifestyle. Whether you're cooking for family dinners or meal prepping for the week, this pan makes it simple to enjoy grilled favorites anytime. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your kitchen routine and savor meals that taste like they came straight off the outdoor grill.